Ganesha. To make Ganesha, take white clay and roll it to make 8 balls. Take one of the bigger ball and make Ganesha trunk like this. Now let's make Ganesha ear using small ball. Ganesha trunk and ear is ready. Time to attach the Ganesha tusk. Make the Ganesha crown like this. Put some mark on Ganesha trunk using knife. Now place the Ganesha in Diya. Time to fix Ganesha hand. Friends, let's paint Ganesha in Diya with white color. Also paint rest 11 Diya with white paint. White paint is done for Ganesha and Diya. Friends, now let's color the Diya and Ganesha. Ganesha and Diya painting completed. Friends, now let's make the platform for Diya and Ganesha. Friends, length is 13 cm, height is 4 cm. Platform structure is ready. Stick color paper on the platform and make the stage. Paste Diya on the platform using glue gun. Now let's decorate Ganesha with creativity. Diya Ganesha is ready with the stage. Friends, now let's make the laddu. Yummy, yum, yum. Friends, Ganesha is not complete without Mushak Raj. Let's make it. Friends, our Diya Ganesha is ready. How did you like it? Please comment below.